What's going on, everyone? I'm Abigail from Zappos.com, and I'm here to show off this style from Doc Martens. Add a little fun to your punk style with these cool boots. They're crafted with a smooth Nappa leather upper, and they're available in a variety of colorways. They feature 4 different zippers for such an awesome style. These are going to allow you to easily slide your feet in and out. They feature some of that classic Doc's DNA you know and love, such as the visible yellow stitching and the scripted heel loop. This lace up front will provide you with a secure fit throughout the day. Inside is soft leather and textile lining with a padded insole for tons of comfort. These are made with Goodyear welt construction that sews the upper and outsole together for long-lasting durability. It's all on top of an air-cushioned rubber outsole that's oil, fat, acid, and alkaline resistant, and it's also textured for traction. You are going to look effortlessly cool in these boots. Go ahead and add them to your cart today. They're from Doc Martens.